Creamy, not too sweet, have a little cantaloupe melon dew flavor.
They're only different, but it tastes nice.
Today I'm back at heat,
Trying 6 new flavors of boba, and I'm gonna tell you the ones I recommend
and the ones I'm not too much of a fan of.
When it comes to heecha, there's so much to choose.
Not to worry, I got it, but as I said, something strange caught my eye.
It's something I never noticed before. An odd-looking curtain. My curiosity got the best of me, and I just did have to find out what was behind that curtain. I whole made straight and walk with a quick pace. I don't even know if I was allowed behind this point. On a sight, I couldn't believe that this was here.
Said to me.
First, I noticed the shine.
And then I realized them about whole place, so I could have sit down and drink a boba. Oh, nobody never tell me about this. And then when I asked, I find out, I could have sit down in there and use free Wi-Fi.
You know who'd have tried the first flavor in the Wi-Fi zone?
I was so excited to try these 6 new flavors that do a like a dance.
From the laugh of my dance make a block you. Let's get into the review.
This was the dirty bubble tea. Definitely not my favorite, but would I give 6 out of 10.
Lucky ball, I give it 4.